Good day, let's talk about fractions. So by definition, fraction represent the number of equal parts of a whole. So this is how you represent a fraction. A is the numerator, and this is the fraction bar. B is the denominator. This is an example of a fraction. So by definition, it represents the number of equal parts of a whole. So this one circle is the whole, and it is divided into two equal parts. The shaded is only one, and the whole division is, there are two divisions, so it's 1/2. You have 1 as your shaded, and you have 4 divisions, so it's 1/4. 1 shaded, and there are 3 divisions, so that is 1/3. This is the same with this. It's 2 division, and the shaded is 1. So you have 1/2. How about this? There we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shaded, and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is 6/12. So you have 1 shaded, and there are 4 divisions, so that's 1/4. You have 1 shaded, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 1/5. You have 2 shaded, and then you have 4 divisions. So that is 2/4. You have 3 shaded and 4 division. You have 3/4. So you have 1/2, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, 6/12, 1/4, 1/5, 2/4, and 3/4 are example of fractions. We also have proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction less than 1. So when you represent a fraction, you have a over b, where a is less than b. So a proper fraction is when a is less than b. So that is less than 1. The value itself is less than 1. We have an example here, 1/2, 3/4, and 11/15. So 1 is your numerator, which is less than 2. 3 is less than 4. 11 is less than 15. So these are example of proper fraction because a is your numerator and it is less than b, which is your denominator. We also have improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction greater than or equal to 1. So, how will you represent an improper fraction? A over b. A is your numerator, b is your denominator. When a is greater than or equal to b, or the numerator is greater than or equal to b. We have an example, 4/3, 5/2, and 7/7. So you have 4 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 2, 7 is equal to 7. So these are example of improper fraction. It is also called improper because as we know that fractions should be part of a whole, so it should be lesser. But in this case, it is greater than the whole or greater than 1. So it is called improper fraction. It's still fraction, and we call it improper fraction. Improper fraction can be converted into mixed number. So mixed number is greater than or greater than 1 with a whole number part and fractional part. So this is how you represent a mixed number. So a, you have c, a over b. So a should be less than b, and c should be greater than equal to 1. So we have here an example, 2 3/4, 12 3/4, and 7 1/5. So improper fraction can be written in mixed number, as well as mixed number can be written in improper fractions. But proper fractions cannot be written in improper and in mixed number. So we have improper, improper, and mixed. We have an example, write 3/5 as a mixed number. So what we're going to do is to divide first 3, 13, and 5. So 13 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 5, that is 10. So you subtract 3. We are going to write the quotient 2, which is our whole part, and then copy the remainder, which is the numerator now, and our 5, the divisor, will be our denominator. So 13 over 5 is 2 and 3/5. Let's have another one. Write 21 and 3/4 as an improper fraction. So what we're going to do is first we multiply 4 times 21 and then add 3. So 4 times 21 is 84 plus 3, and then you just copy the denominator. So we have 84 plus 3 is 87 over 4. So we have 87 over 4 is the answer, and it is the improper fraction of the form 21 and 3/4. So that is the introduction of fraction. See you in our next topic. Have a good day, class.